What if your company training videos could actually talk back to employees, answering questions, clarifying policies, and adapting to how people learn in real time? That's not science fiction anymore. Synthesia, the AI video platform best known for creating realistic digital avatars, is now using its $4 billion valuation momentum to build something far more powerful. AI training systems that behave like on-demand instructors inside your company. In this video, we'll break down what Synthesia is building, why this matters for business training, and how this could reshape corporate learning forever. Let's dive in. First, quick context. Synthesia is an AI video generation platform used by over 60,000 businesses worldwide, including global brands in tech, healthcare, finance, and retail. Instead of hiring actors or production crews, companies can generate training videos, product demos, HR onboarding, compliance modules, using AI avatars that speak in dozens of languages with natural voice and lip sync. But until now, Synthesia's videos were mostly one-way content. Employees watched them, but couldn't interact with them. That's exactly what's changing. Synthesia's $4 billion valuation isn't just about flashy avatars. It's about enterprise AI infrastructure. That capital is being funneled into large language models fine-tuned for workplace knowledge, secure internal knowledge ingestion, real-time conversational video interfaces. In other words, Synthesia isn't building AI videos anymore. They're building AI instructors. Instead of static training modules, companies will soon deploy digital employees that understand company policy, workflows, and processes, and can answer questions in real time. This moves training from content delivery to active problem solving. Here's how the new system works behind the scenes. Step 1. Company knowledge ingestion. Synthesia connects to HR manuals, compliance documentation, SOP, internal wikis, product documentation. The system indexes this content securely inside the organization's environment. Step 2. AI avatars interface. Employees interact with a realistic AI avatar, not just a chatbot box, creating higher engagement, better retention, stronger emotional connection. This avatar doesn't just read scripts, it understands intent and context. Step 3. Real-time question answering. Employees can ask things like, can I expense meals while traveling internationally? What's the escalation path for customer refunds? How do I reset access credentials securely? And instead of searching PDFs or Slack threads, they get instant verified answers, sourced directly from company-approved material. This isn't just another LMS upgrade, it's a fundamental shift. Traditional training is static, time-consuming, easy to forget, hard to personalize. Synthesia's AI-driven approach creates on-demand learning instead of scheduled sessions, just-in-time answers instead of documentation hunting, personalized guidance instead of one-size-fits-all videos. Instead of employees memorizing policy manuals, they now have a conversational knowledge layer embedded into daily workflows. This reduces HR ticket volume, manager interruptions, onboarding time, compliance risk, and increases productivity, confidence, training completion rates, knowledge retention. Here's what makes Synthesia's approach particularly attractive to large organizations. 1. Scalability. You train the AI once, and it supports 10 employees or 100,000 employees instantly. 2. Consistency. Every employee gets the same verified answer, reducing policy, misinterpretation, and legal risk. 3. Localization. AI avatars can deliver answers in dozens of languages with regional compliance accuracy. 4. Privacy and security. Enterprise deployments keep data siloed, auditable, and compliant, unlike consumer AI tools. This is especially valuable for regulated industries, global enterprises, high-turnover workforces, rapidly scaling startups. Traditional chatbots feel robotic, lack emotional engagement, often hallucinate or misinterpret policy. Traditional LMS platforms deliver static modules, require manual updates, lack real-time interaction. Synthesia sits in a new category. Employees don't feel like they're querying a database. They feel like they're asking a knowledgeable colleague. And that psychological difference dramatically improves adoption. We're moving toward a workplace where every employee has a personalized AI mentor. Every system has a conversational layer. Every training moment is contextual and immediate. Synthesia's evolution signals something bigger, the shift from content-based learning to intelligence-based learning. Instead of training being something you complete, it becomes something that supports you continuously, embedded into your job itself. This is the same shift happening in customer service, marketing, finance, and engineering. But now it's happening in human development. If you're a business leader, HR director, or operations manager, here's how to prepare. Audit your training content. What's outdated? What's fragmented? What's undocumented? Centralize institutional knowledge. SOPs, playbooks, FAQs, policies. Plan for conversational training layers. AI tutors instead of static onboarding. Real-time compliance assistance. Process mentors for frontline staff. Because soon, employees won't ask, "Where's the training document?" They'll ask, "Can someone explain this to me right now?" And AI will answer. Synthesia's $4 billion valuation isn't about avatars. It's about building the next operating system for human learning inside companies. From static videos to conversational AI instructors, corporate training is becoming faster, smarter, personalized, always on. In our next video, we'll take a look at how you can use Synthesia to improve your business. In the meantime, to jump ahead and find out more information on it, click the link in the video description. And be sure to hit like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.